welcome back to my channel. I am Pranjala and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a haul, and this is going to be a collective haul because I shop from Amazon, Flipkart and also Insight. So yeah, I got these things delivered by first week of February and I'm filming this on 19th of February. Yeah, even I don't know what took me so long to film this video, but finally I'm filming this. So yeah, I did not even get a lot of stuff, so keep on watching till the end. Yeah, okay. Alright, so the reason why I shopped from different sites is because I wanted thoda sasta saman also, because it's your paise na, so save it as much as you can, right? So I basically compared the prices on different sites and then I got it from that site jahan pe thoda sasta mil raha tha. You know what I mean? Okay, so now let's just get started. We're gonna start with what I got from Amazon. Okay, so the very first thing that I got from Amazon is this cover pot from Cuffs and Lashes. Now I got this in the shade 17 Pure White. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. So this retailed for 225 rupees, and why I did not get this from Cuffs and Lashes website is because wahan mehenga mil raha tha. So Amazon had offers. So yeah, I got this from Amazon. Now let's talk about the inside packaging or the inner packaging. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Like, this is so pretty. Look at the pot. Oh my god, I love it. So this is exactly like their color pots, the face paint pots. So yeah, the same packaging, I think, as far as I know. Yeah, okay. Now why I got white shade in particular is because I wanted eye base, you know. I did not want any concealer. Honestly, I already have concealer. So I wanted white eye base. So that's why I went for this one. So yeah, this is the swatch. This is really good and really pigmented. This is a cream product, so definitely you'll have to set it. Then I got another two items from Cuffs and Lashes. So I got their liners. These are the Color Pop liners. I already have two of their liners. Let me just show you guys. So I already have their Khaleesi and BTS Love in the Color Pop liners. And now I got these two shades. So I got Gulkand and I got this one, Skymi. So these are the two shades I got now. I literally wanted all the colors, but definitely मैं bulk shopping नहीं करती हूँ. I wanted the yellow one, but वो हमेशा out of stock ही होता जा रहा था. पता नहीं क्या सबको वही चाहिए था क्या? And again I did not get this from Cuffs and Lashes because वहाँ पे ये काफ़ी costly हो गया है यार. तो इसलिए Amazon. I love these. मैंने पहले भी इनके liners use किए हैं, as I just told you guys. So I know that their liners are really nice, and I always wanted color liners. So yeah, these are actually really good, but I have not used these two yet. I will use them really soon. You will see it. So yeah, I'll show. Alright, coming on to the last thing that I got from Amazon is this pack of lashes. So I got this pack of lashes from Kalilis Beauty. I hope you can see it. So you get 7 pairs of lashes in the pack, plus you also get an eyelash glue. Okay, so the actual MRP of this pack is 1293, but I got it for 706 from Amazon. So I think it's a super deal. And yeah, also you're getting 7 pairs of lashes for 700 rupees. Good deal. Also, I've used Kalilis Beauty lashes earlier, and right now I'm also wearing one of their lashes. So yeah, I know that these lashes are bomb. So most of the lashes in this pack are dramatic, and you hardly get any, you know, everyday sort of lashes. But I'm totally fine with it because I don't wear lashes anywhere out. I just have to wear them when I'm doing some looks, especially with creative looks. I always wanted dramatic lashes, so I finally have some dramatic ones and I'm so excited to wear them. So yeah, that's the last thing that I got from Amazon. Yes, you also get the lash glue with it, so voila. So yeah, we're done with what I got from Amazon. Let's just move to what I got from Flipkart. So the very first thing I got from Flipkart is this metallic eyeshadow from Mars. This is how the outer packaging looks like. And this is in the shade Moon Glow 01. I wanted to just try, that's why I did not go with any experimental shade. क्योंकि अगर यूज़ नहीं होता तो वो वेस्ट हो जाता. सो आई जस्ट वेंट फॉर अ सिल्वर, बिकॉज सिल्वर तो आप हर किसी लुक के साथ पहन सकते हो. मतलब गोल्डन नहीं होना चाहिए, बस सिल्वर. समझ जाओ बस मेरी बात, ठीक है. इवन राइट नाउ आई एम वेयरिंग दिस लोअर लैश लाइन पे. एंड इफ़ यू सीन माई व्लॉग, लाइक जो अभी मैंने व्लॉग शेयर किया था वो देखा होगा, तो उसमें मैंने लगाया था लाइक इन द म्यूजिक वीडियो आई ऑल्सो यूज दिस in my inner corners. So today I use this in my lower lash line. This is really good, like really good, and it is really inexpensive also. I don't remember the exact price, but मैं देख कर बता दूंगी. And also don't worry guys, जितने भी products मैं यहाँ दिखा रही हूँ सबके links होंगे description में, so you can check them out for yourself. So this is how it looks like. Let me just show you. And yeah, ऐसे metallic eyeshadows बहुत सारे brands में आते हैं, but I like heard from somewhere that Mars के सबसे अच्छे होते हैं, so I wanted to try, so why not. And इसके सबसे inexpensive भी हैं honestly, so why not again. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Wand इसका कुछ इस तरीके का है. Okay, so I got something free with the liquid eyeshadow, and I got an under eye cream free with this. Now this is how it looks like. When I ordered, I had no clue that I'm gonna get something free with the eyeshadow, but when I got it, I checked back again, and yes, I was getting something free with this, like this one. So this is from Miteno or Miteno, I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, this is their pure aloe under eye cream. I have not started using this. I will use it and let you guys know how it performs. This has a very nice fragrance, but I don't know if it is good to have fragrance in the under eye creams or eye products, because you know it's going to be under your eyes, so it should not affect your eyes, right? So I don't know if it's good or bad to have fragrance, you know, but yeah, the fragrance is really nice. I don't know. Then the second thing I got from Flipkart is this gloss. This is the clear gloss. This is from Swiss Beauty, and I have used it a couple of times now, and I'm loving this gloss. I always wanted a clear gloss. This is how the wand looks like. The wand is pretty dirty right now because I just applied it over the lipstick. So okay, on to the last thing that I got from Flipkart is this pack of brushes. Now these are from Zoeva. Obviously these are not from the Zoeva brand. These are obviously the first copy, because if you do not know, Zoeva is an international brand and उसके brushes काफ़ी महंगे होते हैं. And I got this for 440, like 15 brushes for 440, so you can expect that it's not Zoeva. I will show you guys one by one, but before that, let me just talk about this particular leather pouch that you get. Now this looks like it is leather, but it's not. Obviously, this is faux leather. Now I hate this pouch. जब मुझे पता चला ना इसके साथ pouch भी है, so I was pretty happy कि बाकी के brushes भी हम इसी के अंदर store कर सकते हैं. But no guys, no. I have been waiting to throw this away कि बस वीडियो बन जाए और मैं इसको फेंक दूंगी. मैं लिटरली इस वीडियो के बाद इसको फेंकने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज दिस हैज़ दैट पेंट वाला स्मेल. यू नो, जब हमारे घर में पेंट होता है तो जो स्मेल आती है ना, दिस हैज़ एग्जैक्टली द सेम स्मेल एंड आई हेट इट. Who likes this? Come on, yeah. This stinks guys, this stinks, and that's why I'm not gonna keep this. And इसको brushes को तो इसमें बिल्कुल नहीं रखना है, because otherwise the brushes will also smell like the same thing. So yeah, so this stinks. Again, I have not used these brushes yet. I will use it, and I might just shoot a first impressions video for you guys. So even if I will shoot a first impressions video on these brushes, you will not see this pouch in the video, because I'm just gonna throw this away right after this video is done. Honestly, I'm not gonna keep this. So do not fall कि भाई इसके साथ एक pouch भी आने वाला है, because pouch is waste. And I did see a lot of people reviewing the brushes and everything. They like the pouch, and I don't know how. Like, how did you guys like the pouch? This is pure waste. Okay, this is pure waste. Now you get 15 brushes. I am a little disappointed with one of the brushes. Let me just show you guys. Look at this. This is deformed. Like जब ये आया था तब से ये ऐसा ही है. So I don't know. And you get two same brushes. Like ऐसा है, and ये तो थोड़ा deformed है, but you get another one also. तो अच्छी बात है that you're getting two, but किसी के साथ धोखा भी हो सकता है. थोड़ा different brush चाहिए हो और आपको same मिल जाए. So but it's okay. जितने blending brushes हो कम ही होते हैं. So it's fine if you get two similar brushes जो मिलने नहीं चाहिए but मिल रहे हैं, तो दिल को तसल्ली दे दो कि it's fine, okay, it's fine. But I'm not really happy with this brush. I will use it for my face paint definitely, because ये मेरे मेकअप में तो सब कुछ बिगाड़ ही देगा. So why to use it like? Okay, so you also get a face paint brush in the whole set. Now this is something that excited me. On the brush you will see the number and the name of the brush also. Like ये face painting का brush है तो उस पे लिखा हुआ है face paint. Let me just show you guys. I hope you can see it. तो उस पर फेस पेंट लिखा हुआ है एंड इसी के एकदम आगे आपको नंबर भी लिखा हुआ है एंड नाम भी लिखा हुआ है ब्रश का. सो ये अच्छी चीज़ है. बट या द ओनली थिंग आई एम काइंड ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटेड विद इज द पाउच एंड वो deformed brush, because it's not gonna help me anyway. So I will use it, I will make use of it, but it is a waste, you know. So you're getting 14 brushes without any pouch. You're getting 14 brushes without any pouch. Consider that, okay? If you're happy with that for 440 rupees, go ahead, because we know कि brushes बहुत costly आते हैं, okay? So if you're getting a full set for 440, I think it's good. बाकी तो use करके पता चलेगा. अच्छा, one more thing, I have washed these and इसके कोई bristles नहीं निकले हैं, so the bristles are pretty nicely, you know, packed into the brush. तो bristles तो नहीं निकले हैं, which is a good thing. I always wash brushes whenever I get them and sanitize them after that before I use. And अभी तक मैंने इन्हें use नहीं किया, so I would rather film a first impressions. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see it. अफसोस, you won't see this, okay? You won't. मैं इसी की थोड़ी सी क्लिप उसमें लगा दूंगी फिर. That was it for what I got from Flipkart. Now let's quickly move to what I got from Insight. So I got only one product from Insight. Now ये मुझे बहुत टाइम से चाहिए था. Amazon पे आउट ऑफ स्टॉक, Flipkart पे आउट ऑफ स्टॉक, नायका पे इसको लाइक शिपिंग वगैरह मिला के बहुत कॉस्टली पड़ रहा था. So I got it from Insight only. So this is their corrector palette. like concealer लिखा है but I got the corrector one. And जो फ्रंट से दिख रहा है ना, ये बहुत मिसलीडिंग पैकेजिंग है. अभी सबको हॉन्किंग करनी है, ठीक है? अभी करनी है क्योंकि मैं वीडियो बना रही ना बाबा. उसके ऊपर इन्होंने ऐसे चिट लगा दी है करेक्टर की, ताकि थोड़ा पता चल जाए कि करेक्टर वाला है. लेकिन काफ़ी मिसलीडिंग सी पैकेजिंग है. इनको यहाँ पर भी 02 का ही लगाना चाहिए अगर वो 02 दे रहे हैं तो. सो या आई मीन दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक एंड आई हैव यूज दिस पैलेट ट्वाइस. ट्वाइस. इसमें सारे ही करेक्टर्स हैं एंड इंडिविजुअली अगर आप एक एक करेक्टर लोगे तो अराउंड 200 का पड़ेगा. सो I just got a palette to test. Alright guys, that's it for the haul and that's everything I got from Flipkart, Amazon and also Insight. Let me know इनमें से किसी भी चीज़ का आपको रिव्यू चाहिए तो या फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन सॉर्ट ऑफ अ वीडियो चाहिए तो I will make it. So do not forget to leave your requests in the comment section. And जितने भी products मैंने दिखाए हैं सबके links होंगे नीचे description में. Do not worry guys, these are not going to be affiliate links, so मुझे एक पैसा भी नहीं मिलेगा even if you purchase through those links, so don't worry about that. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you never miss out on any of my videos. So yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram. Way too much. Yeah, way too much. Okay, bye. And this look right here, I did a little tutorial on Instagram, like reels. So yeah, you can check it out there. Okay, I need to stop blabbering. Bye guys.